Hey guys, this is Kinjal and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tropicana Resort, a serene tropical oasis in Alibag. So we are here for 2 nights and I will share the entire stay and dining experience with you. Tropicana Resort is taken over by Club Mahindra, so most of its rooms are sold via Club Mahindra, whereas there are a few rooms and the villas majorly which are sold directly by the resort itself. So this is my first experience with a Club Mahindra property, so I will also be sharing with you my entire experience here and I'll also give you a tour of this entire property. So stay tuned till the end and let's get into the video now.
After a 2.5-hour drive from Mumbai, we finally reached our destination, the beautiful Tropicana Resort and Spa nestled amidst lush greenery. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by this grand signboard at the entrance. Conveniently, the parking area is also located right next to the entrance gate, super easy access for all guests. Walking through the gates, the first thing you notice is the massive reception cottage. It's not only beautifully designed but also features a spacious waiting area where you can relax while checking in. The staff here was absolutely courteous and helpful. They ensured a smooth check-in process. We also decided to go for their all-inclusive meals package so that we don't need to worry about ordering room service every time. Right outside the reception is a massive children's play area. It is well equipped but located a little away from the main hotel section, which might be something to consider if you are traveling with kids. Now let's head to the main section of the resort where all the rooms are. This area is breathtaking, surrounded by coconut trees and dotted with charming outdoor huts where you can sit back, relax and enjoy the weather. For those looking to unwind with a drink, Captain Cook's is a poolside bar that offers a relaxing vibe for an evening chill session. We stayed in the executive room priced at 7,500 rupees per night. Meals are not included in this price. The room is quite spacious, bigger than most standard hotel rooms. The floor was a little sticky initially, but the housekeeping staff quickly took care of that. The highlight? The balcony, of course. Perfect for sipping coffee while soaking in the serene poolside view. Bonus points for the handy cloth drying rack they provided, very useful after a swim. The bathroom was decent, and what impressed us was their commitment to sustainability. No single-use toiletries here. Instead, they offer large refillable bottles of shampoo and shower gel by Club Mahindra. Now for something more exciting and luxurious. Let's take a peek at the Royal Villa. They have an array of villas at the backside of the resort, and we got a glimpse into one of them.
Welcome to the Tropicana Villa. Let me give you a tour of this villa. So there are 2 bedrooms on the ground floor and there are 2 bedrooms on the first floor as well, right? Irkon's bedroom ever. There is an open lawn where you get the pension. Let me show you the amazing washroom. So this is the bathroom and the best part is this open shower. So right beside the first bedroom is the second bedroom, which had a similar interior. And in here, the bathroom had an open shower. So then you have a normal washroom here, and let me take you to the small kitchenette. So if you're coming with friends, family, small kids, you have a comprehensive kitchen, so you can cook small meals here. We have an oven, a toaster, an induction, and you have some cutlery also. Now let's check out the living room. This is a dining area where you can comfortably take all your meals. This is the living area. It has a TV, a separate cannon wood, and a chessboard, so you don't need to go anywhere else. And now the best part. This amazing indoor food. So we are on the first floor of this villa, and we have two bedrooms. One is on my left, one is on my right. Let's check out the first bedroom. The interiors are pretty much similar, and there's a washroom here and a cabinet. I think the best part about this villa is that all the bedrooms have these open showers, which is a really unique experience.
This 4 BHK villa is perfect for larger groups, priced at 40,000 rupees per night for their entire space, and ideal for a group or family getaway.
Isn't this amazing?
The Eat restaurant is where you enjoy all the buffet meals. They also offer a la carte options for lunch and dinner. The weekend live music, coupled with outdoor seating, makes for a delightful dining experience. The indoor games room, however, was a bit of a letdown. It only had a broken pool table, a carom board, and a few outdated board games. But the Sonte Spa more than makes up for it. Set in a separate building near the reception, the spa is huge and looks very inviting for a relaxing session. For adventure enthusiasts, the outdoor high rope activity is a must try. And if you're in the mood for something light-hearted, there is the life-size chessboard near the pool area. The restaurant also boasts of a massive lawn, ideal for weddings, corporate team building activities, or even just lounging around with a group of friends. Overall, Tropicana Resort and Spa offers a well-maintained, serene retreat with plenty to do for everyone. We had a fantastic time here and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a quick escape.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I loved sharing my entire experience with you. If you have any questions or need any information, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family whom you want to take this staycation with. Please subscribe to my channel for more such hotel reviews and travel experiences, and I will see you in another video very soon. Until then, goodbye.